My name is Sangramjit. I have completed my BTech in the year 2024 from MCQ Institute of Engineering with CS background. And when my QA journey started, when I was 8th semester in my college, from then I got an opportunity to do an QA internship with QSpider. And after I came here, I have learned about QA testing, then is SQL, SDLC, Java, and here the trainers, SKR sir, Niranjan sir, Sachin sir, Vishwanath sir, Sagar sir give me the knowledge and guidance that is needed. And also HRs are very helpful here. They gave me daily opportunities and not a special thanks to SKR sir for giving me continuous motivation as a student. My journey here in QSpider is excellent.